Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am taking you to Durban for the African Emerging Filmmakers Awards. These are awards that happen annually that honor filmmakers from around Africa that are making things happen. We all know how it's like to be an African with limited budgets and not much help actually. But these people are making it happen. They are creating, they're making sure that we're getting entertained. And today they are getting honored. And I am the MC for the evening with Zuki Zaling. I hope you guys enjoy just a little snippets of what went on. Ladies
and gentlemen, welcome again. I would like to introduce to you a very local dynamic duo, and you might know these ladies because they're very popular on the TV. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Zuki Zaling and Thenjiwe. Make some noise! Welcome to it, and welcome my girl all the way from Mama Shupa 360. Okay, but you guys know her as Thenjiwe.
It is our duty as filmmakers to tell the African story. And we must read our history. We need to see more movies that tell its story safe. EKZN is very rich. EKZN in a story. We can start from Omkabai. There is so much to tell. Some people don't even know Omkabai was a twin. Let us read our history and let us be the ones as they share with the world. And let us not always copy what other countries are doing. Let us be original in the way we tell our stories. That is why even in music you will find all black Mambazo will always be Namagrani because they are themselves, they are original. Let us stick to being original and tell our story. Our time is now. So I encourage you to showcase EKZN and its beauty. Each and every one of us here tonight is an ambassador to make sure the world knows. My duty is to make sure it is up to us. Let us showcase in our ways. KZN is very beautiful. Let us see more and more of our beautiful places in the stories that we tell. On that note, Sengotela, O Kulumela, Abe KZN Film Commission, who acting Chief Financial Officer, you know, the CP Mali, the little no, you know, pass with man. Unona, Thenjiwe, let us share it. Africa, your time is now. We need to be the ones who are raising a flag that is South Africa and who are supporting its talented. Just like we also need to be talented. And we need to be supported. Ngicela sikitize sishaye izandla sidume phezu kwamatafula senze yonke into etshengisa ukuthi sijabule as we welcome on stage the best Afro jazz group from the world.
apologize, guys, but because of copyright issues, I cannot be playing other people's songs. So, yeah, but the performance was great. Overall, it was a really beautiful evening that I thoroughly enjoyed. I enjoyed working with Zuki. I work with her a lot. We do a lot of emceeing together, and it was just beautiful. Unfortunately, I cannot show you guys everything because number one, the music copyrights. A lot of the music, well, all the music that they played on the night has copyrights, including the background music. And also, I cannot show you everybody because some of these artists and celebrities that we work with have a stinking attitude and are full of drama. So they might just think, you put my face because you are using me to get more followers. You're using me to get views. And I do not have time for drama. I do not have time for drama. So I showed you what I can, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.
Hey, director, kusamina manendakela amaphosikazi abo nentombi zabo. Bayathetha. Ngisho kuthiwa wenza ama-indoor games, athi cut! And action! Zuko, unothatha, khawuze ngaphambili. Cut! He directs everything you see that I do. Uyasiza ukukopelisa umuntu esikoleni, ngangimkopelisa kangelinye ilanga lomsizi. Ungasabi ukukopelisa umuntu. Ngelinye ilanga ngamkhuza esetshontshipheni lami. Untshontshipheni lami lokubhala isubject errong. Uyobhala i-directing ngepeni lami, kanti bengilise kumthatha umthandazi liyothandazelela ukuthi ngiphase i-broadcasting. Kodwa-ke ngoba ngumuntu o-right ngamkhuza ngamtshela ulapho la ngami.
Angeke ngitshele ukuthi ngamfica esikoleni esefunda iminyaka emithathu. Ngamshiya khona ngayithola idiploma wabaleka waphesheya
I'm not a quitter. Emfundo yesikole uphinde ubuye njengami.
Njengoba beseshilo udirector mabili amagama famous emelwazi ukhathi no-action. Kuba buhlungu ke mawuzovela uthi uvuka ulele nomuntu uphuphe ebusuku uvela ubiza ukhathi. Kuba ngcono nje mawuzovuka nje azi naye ukuthi nje ulovela ukwazi ukuthi action bese ziyashaya. Best director.
Hi guys, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button so that you do not miss another video.